Awning window installation in Auburn Hills, MI, is a service that requires precision and expertise. Our team of awning window contractors in Auburn Hills is dedicated to providing top-notch awning window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient awning windows Auburn Hills or custom awning windows Auburn Hills, we have the skills and experience to deliver exceptional results. Our awning window experts in Auburn Hills are committed to ensuring that your awning window installation is seamless and efficient, enhancing the beauty and functionality of your home. When it comes to awning window installation in Auburn Hills, our team is second to none. We understand the importance of maintaining the integrity of your awning windows Auburn Hills, which is why we offer comprehensive awning window installation services in Auburn Hills. From fixing awning window locks to replacing awning window glass, our experts are equipped to handle all types of installations. Our goal is to restore your awning windows Auburn Hills to their original condition, ensuring they continue to provide excellent ventilation and insulation for your home. For those considering awning window replacement in Auburn Hills, we offer a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. Our awning window replacement services in Auburn Hills are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your home. We provide a variety of awning window styles and designs Auburn Hills, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your home. Our team will guide you through the selection process, ensuring you find the ideal awning window materials and hardware to meet your needs. Energy-efficient awning windows Auburn Hills are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills. Our energy-efficient awning windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient awning windows Auburn Hills, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy consumption and lower utility costs. Our team of awning window experts in Auburn Hills will help you select the best energy-efficient options for your home. Custom awning windows Auburn Hills offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Our custom awning windows are crafted to your specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Whether you prefer a modern or traditional look, our awning window contractors in Auburn Hills can create custom designs that reflect your personal style. With a variety of awning window materials and finishes available, the possibilities for custom awning windows Auburn Hills are endless. Awning window installation in Auburn Hills, MI, is a service that requires precision and expertise. When considering awning window installation Auburn Hills, it's essential to choose experienced awning window contractors who understand the unique needs of the local climate. Awning window experts Auburn Hills can provide tailored solutions that enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. With a focus on energy-efficient awning windows Auburn Hills, homeowners can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Custom awning windows Auburn Hills offer a personalized touch to any home. By selecting custom awning windows, residents can choose from a variety of awning window styles Auburn Hills and awning window designs Auburn Hills that complement their home's architecture. The flexibility in awning window materials Auburn Hills allows for a range of options, from traditional wood to modern aluminum, ensuring that every homeowner finds the perfect fit for their needs. Awning window installation. Auburn Hills is a crucial service for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance. Auburn Hills can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Awning window installation services in Auburn Hills include fixing awning window locks, replacing awning window screens, and addressing any issues with awning window hardware. Auburn Hills. By keeping up with awning window maintenance, homeowners can ensure their awning windows. Auburn Hills remain in top condition. Energy-efficient awning windows. Auburn Hills are a popular choice for Auburn Hills residents looking to reduce their carbon footprint. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to keep homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Energy-efficient awning windows. Auburn Hills are an investment that pays off over time through lower energy bills and increased home value. Awning window insulation. Auburn Hills is a key factor in achieving these energy savings. Awning window replacement. Auburn Hills is an excellent opportunity to upgrade to the latest in window technology. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency or update the look of your home, awning window replacement services in Auburn Hills can provide the perfect solution. Awning window upgrades. Auburn Hills can include new awning window glass, improved awning window frames, and enhanced awning window parts. Auburn Hills to ensure optimal performance. Awning window maintenance is crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Our awning window maintenance services in Auburn Hills include cleaning, sealing, and insulation. Regular maintenance ensures that your awning windows. Auburn Hills remain in excellent condition and continue to provide optimal performance. Our team in Auburn Hills is committed to helping you maintain your awning windows. Auburn Hills for years to come. For those seeking reliable awning window suppliers. Auburn Hills, there are numerous options available. These suppliers offer a wide range of awning window accessories. Auburn Hills, from awning window screens to awning window locks, ensuring that every aspect of your awning windows. Auburn Hills needs is covered. Working with reputable awning window suppliers ensures that you receive high-quality products that meet your specific requirements.